been amazing.
It's most impressive.
That's been great.
So it was very valuable.
Basically, it's been a great experience and very worthwhile.
I thought the workshop was phenomenal.
My name is Jan Warner, and this village has come together to build my house, and which is very exciting. And basically, I found Andrew on the website and inquired about his workshop. Andrew was incredibly supportive during the whole process, the pre-process. He had the advantage of having one of his friends do the design on the house, so he was familiar with the design, and he looked it over. Over the internet, over the emails, he emailed me all the time. If I had any questions, as my builder was helping me out with the frame, Eric would have some questions. I would email him with the questions. He would get right back to me throughout the whole workshop. He's been supportive, fun to be with. He keeps the group together. He's got a lot of skills. He's got a lot of tricks in his bag that he can really make a group of very diverse people, not only regionally, age-wise, political bents, whatever. He can pull them all together, and he's a great team leader. I cannot imagine doing this without him. Andrew asks for a pretty large deposit, and I think that kind of sorts people out as far as who are serious about it. The first thing he did when he came Sunday was he handed me a check, and I got my entire deposit back. What I have is this labor force that's got all this incredible energy putting in my house, and all I've had to do is cook a lot. Constantly for 7 days now. But with a little help from my friends, it's been going smooth, and we've had fun. And Andrew's the one. He's the leader of it all, and he does it well without being. He has no ego involved in it. He just does it because he loves it. He gets paid for it, but he does it because he loves it. He's got a mission.
For more information regarding straw bale construction, visit Andrew's website at strawbale.com.